Tyler Speedy here of Tyler Trades. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to trade wedges and how I like to use them, what's my favorite time frame to use them. Also, if you guys like the videos and all the content, you guys are learning something from all my videos, please give me a like and drop a comment in this comment section. Also, if you guys want to join my trading mentorship program, I'm going to drop the link in there below. You get $500 off. So let's go ahead and get started. So when you're looking at a chart like this, and you kind of like have to have that eye for it. When if I'm looking at ETH/USD, we can see that price has pretty much bottomed out down here, and it's been starting to go back up. It's ascending. So I'm going to go ahead and look for an entry. I like to trade wedges based off of the daily or 4 hour. So if I take the trend line from here to about here, let's go ahead and break this down to 1 hour. I'm able to get it more accurate. So basically all I'm doing is I'm taking this trend line and placing it where it meets right here at the high of this candle right here. So back in like the 8th of May. And let's go ahead and go back to the 4 hour chart. Whoops. Let's go ahead and delete that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a trend line from here. It's right there. You see how it... Let's go ahead and extend these a little bit longer. You see how price tries to break through here, fails. You can see price actually broke through this line, broke through the bottom of the wedge, failed. And then you can see price came back down here. Now, you could do two different things. I mean, you could have bought the low of the wedge, but then you would have been sitting through this. With Ethereum, dollar, any kind of cryptocurrency, they're pretty volatile, and they can, you can make a lot of money, you can lose a lot of money. I don't suggest any small accounts trade this. If you got a pretty decent amount of money and you can handle a good risk appetite, then you can trade this. You could have bought the low, stop loss could have been relatively low, you could be sitting in profit right here. Typically what I would be doing for this is I'd be trading when price breaks the breakout. So you want to wait for price to break out of the wedge. Every single time, you want to wait for price to break out of the wedge. Now some of us can go back up, retest, then go. But for this one, it's already broken out. It's established that it's broken out. So my rule of thumb is I like to enter on like the second or third candle close, so one of these two. I would enter in one of these two. I will never enter on the first candle. Why? Because if we enter on the first candle and it gets sucked back down, you're in a losing trade. The more candles you have that close outside of any pattern you are, and I'm trying not to take like 5, 6, like maybe the second or third, somewhere in there, try to find an entry, then you're more guaranteed that I can go ahead and keep on going up. So if you're looking at ETH/USD, see price is just trading inside this wedge right here, it comes down, then breaks. I'd be looking to take ETH/USD, like to 837 is my first take profit.